Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420D MSPORT COUPE here at Your Next Car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst to talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'll make my way around and go ahead and take a seat inside the car. Starting with the exterior, this vehicle benefits from the full BMW Mperformance body kit and it is finished in the full carbon fibre, as you see as we make our way around the car. So up front you get that lovely full carbon fibre front splitter, the gloss black kidney grills. You'll also see the vehicle is a 2017 plate, so it is a facelift model. We've got the stunning BMW 694M 20-inch alloy wheels. These alloy wheels are finished in the black fly orbit finish, and all the way around they've got brand new tyres on, and the alloy wheels themselves are in fantastic condition, as you'll see as we make our way around the car. So all round a very nice car with a very rare option of the full carbon fibre Mperformance body styling kit. Down the side you'll see the gloss back air breather. It also benefits from having the privacy glass. We've got the satin side vinyls, satin side bars and the Mperformance decals. Moving on for a glance at the interior, which is the very nice black coated leather, which is all in fantastic condition inside and out. It's got the latest aluminium hexagon trim with the high silver trim as well. You'll see there, once again, that follows through onto the extremely clean and tidy door cards. Now, rear seat room on coupe vehicles can normally be quite tight and pokey, however it's not the case on the 4 Series. There is plenty of space for head and leg room, even for larger rear passengers. You also get that lovely centrefold armrest, and it is of course an Isofix rear bench as well. Moving on around to the rear now, where we find the very nice carbon fibre rear spoiler, as you can see there. Facelifted rear lights, as I've already mentioned. We've got the satin black diffuser. And I'll open up the tailgate for you to take a look at just how large the boot space is on the 4 Series Coupe. And of course this can be made larger by split folding the seats should you require to. Moving around to the other side now, where once again we can take in just how nice them 20-inch BMW Mperformance alloy wheels are. These cost in excess of £2,500 from BMW when this vehicle was optioned and spec'd from new. So somebody definitely took care of this vehicle and definitely went to town on the options list. Moving on inside the vehicle now, I'll go ahead and take a seat first of all. And another amazing feature on this car is the full digital display dash, as we have there. So as you can see there, currently it's just in comfort mode, so we get the normal view. You'll also see the vehicle's covered just over 18,000 miles. And if I change up into sport mode using the drive select, you can see again the dash does change display. And if I take the revs up a little bit, you'll get a full sense of how funky and different the digital dash is displayed. Again, going down into Eco Pro, you'll get a different display once again. Moving on to the professional wide navigation and media screen, front and rear parking sensors. There's the satellite navigation. Media wise, you get a wide array of multimedia inputs, of course including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB. Bluetooth for telephone and audio. And this vehicle also comes equipped with the Connected Drive Plus, which has the online search function, news and weather, which is all powered by Google. Dual climate control with the heated seats, which is situated there as you can see. And it also has the superb 8-speed Sports Auto, which is why we get these lovely flappy paddles situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, where you'll also find the cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls. Okay, so we'll finish off the video by just checking out the lovely exterior one last time. Of course, as always, if you do want to put any further information regarding pricing and finance options for this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, I will leave a link down in the description below for you to come ahead and have a look at our website. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care. We hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.